All right, scholars. So in this lesson, we are still talking about plot and we're still talking about character setting and our events in the story. But today we are going to add the problem and the solution. So let's look at this anchor chart that is right here on our screen, and let's just go through each of these steps, and then we're going to practice. The first step is looking at the characters. So we've talked about this for several days now, but it's important to think about who is actually in the story. Is there a hero? Is there a villain? And are there other characters in the story that are helping either one of them? Let's think about the setting. So typically in most stories that are short stories, the setting will be very simple. So where does the story take place? And then what we did yesterday or the lesson before this were the events. So what happened in the beginning, the middle, and the end. So today we are going to add problem and solution. So when we look at the problem and the solution, we need to be looking at what the character is doing and what the character is saying. So the problem is there a struggle the character is having? So is there something that one of the characters is having a hard time being able to complete, or something's going on in the story that would cause them to have some sort of problem? And then the solution is typically going to happen at the end of our story, and that is how does the character solve the problem? So that's what we're going to be working on in this lesson. Character, setting, and events, but we're adding the problem and the solution.